Hi everybody, I wanted to just show you in action this really disgusting Dr. Shivers Gemmy Dissected Frog candy dish. It's a very, very rare Gemmy item. I think it was only released in limited quantities. I'll just show you the box. The box is not perfect. It's got some normal shelfware and handling wear, I would say. This is sort of bent and stuff like that. And I also want to point out that this tongue, I guess this was plastic. It's very thin, and I guess it just got brittle over time, and it did break off. We don't think it detracts because it's still super cool. So let's just show them in action here. All right, so that's that. I hope you like this Gemmy Dissected Frog, never removed from the box. Thanks, everybody.